I love pancakes on the weekend, and I'm going to show you a different variety of pancakes using wholemeal flour and kefir, which is a live fermented yogurt. This is so good for gut health and it makes sensational pancakes. So wholemeal flour, we want 1 cup, really easy measurements. We're going to just pop that into a bowl. And I like wholemeal flour because it's got this wonderful nuttiness to it. So into the bowl, a pinch of salt. And the ratio is 1 to 2. So 1 cup of flour to 2 cups of kefir. Because kefir is slowly fermented, it is going to be thick and curdled like this. So it's totally normal when you bring it home. It also has a really nice tartness. So if you have made buttermilk pancakes, you're going to love kefir as a really healthy alternative. So we'll measure that out. Okay. And I'll give this a whisk just to combine the flour and the liquid. And this goes into the fridge. Now, of course, you can cook these straight away, but to get that really fluffy pancake, I highly recommend popping it in the fridge for at least 1 hour, or even better, doing this overnight. So once there's no lumps, it's looking good, we'll cover this with some cling film and then into the fridge before we continue on to the next process. The pancake batter has rested, so let's finish it off. We'll just take that cling film off, scrape excess off. And it looks quite thick at the moment, but I will add an egg. So 1 egg that I'll crack into a bowl and just give it a light whisk. That can go in. And we need a rising agent. So I like to use some baking powder and we'll just whisk it in. And that's our batter done. Now I've been preheating a pancake pan. I love a pancake pan because it just makes it much easier to flip because of its low rim. And we'll start cooking these. Now I want you to see the consistency. This is how thick it should be. Now I'll just place a little oil on the pancake pan so we get a golden colour, and to evenly distribute it, just grab a pastry brush and brush that all over the pan. And I'll add 2 dollops because I want them to be medium-sized pancakes. We're going to give this about 30 seconds to a minute on each side, and then we're going to flip them and cook them for another minute. Lovely, fluffy pancakes. And I love to present my pancakes in one giant stack. And pancakes are not complete without some maple syrup. And I like a lot of maple syrup with my pancakes, so I'm gonna drizzle that over the top. Looks good. And you can have this with ice cream if you like, or just keep it simple. Berries. Love the addition of berries. I'm just going to pop a few raspberries over the top, and if you like, some strawberries. With the strawberries, I'll just cut them up into quarters. Just love that pop of colour over the top. Pancakes, they are just the best using wholemeal flour and kefir, a fantastic alternative to your regular milks, to buttermilk. Enjoy.